Tuesday. Okay, so yesterday you learnt about base 10, we used our part whole model, you saw 100 square, we learnt about tens and one columns. Wow, that was a lot. So now we're going to actually, if I'm being honest, today is a lot easier. Today, this probably won't be a very long video actually. So, checking the time to make sure because I don't want them coming back from lunch again. So this isn't going to be that long a video because it's not actually that much today. Because you guys can all count in ones, can't you? Yeah? So let's start off. The first thing I want to do, I want to make sure that you can count in tens. So, counting in tens, we've got, I'm going to do it, no, I'm going to do it on my, this. Oh, so counting in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Why didn't you go on the X Factor, Miss Dallimore, and become a singer instead of a teacher? Who knows? So, that is counting in tens. Now remember, all I want you to do today is count in tens up to 50. So you don't even need all of that. In fact, we've just gone above and beyond what we need to do. Well done, everyone. So I'm going to use my base 10. So remember, each one of these is worth 10. So each one of these is equal. Equals means the same as, each one of these is equal to 10. Yes? And each one of these is equal to 1. So that's 10, that's 1. 2 of those is 20, 2 of those is 2. Yes, that's it. You guys bang out your sticks and your stones and use those instead if you want to, or the ones you've cut out, or whatever you've decided to use around your house. Okay? So, where am I going with this now? So we're going to count in tens up to 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? That's what we need to remember. 2 of those, 10, 20. 3 of them, 10, 20, 30. 4 of them, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah? That's all you need to remember. 5 of them, 50. So, equal to 10, each one of them. And altogether here we have 50, and these altogether we have 10. So, now we know that. All we're looking at today, all I want to know is how many ones. Really easy lesson. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I can't think of any other words. Wheezy, heezy, treesy, anything that rhymes, so easy. Super duper easy, okay? So any number at all, let's think. I'm going to choose, I'm going to do something a bit tricky. I'm going to choose, no, I'm not going to choose that. I'm going to save that for tomorrow. I'm going to choose 35, down, around, and put a hat on it, okay? So now, remember, if this now confuses you, you can do this. You can make a chart and make a tens column and a ones column and just put the first digit, the first digit 3 into the tens column and the second digit 5 into the ones column. There you go. Now you know how many tens you need and how many ones you need. So I know that I need 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and I know that I need 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So now I don't need this. I can put that to one side. So I've got 3 tens and 5 ones. So I know 1, 2, 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So now if the question says, if I gave you the question, so my question is, in the number 35, how many ones are there? Well, I know how many ones there are because the ones are the second digit, so therefore I know that in the number 35, there are 5 ones. Okay? Easy. I'm gonna do 2 more. Move those out the way. Move those out the way. Okay, right. So So my next one, my question is in the number 14. How many ones are there? Okay, right. So my first digit, 1, goes in the tens column. And my second digit, 4, goes in the ones column. So 1 and 4. Okay, so I know I need 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, so 1 10 and 1 2 3 4 ones. So that's the number 14. That is actually, in tens and teens, that is the number 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. So 1 10. So what's 1 10? 10. And how many ones? 1 2 3 4 4. So that is now done with the part whole model. So if I want to know how many ones are in my how many ones are in the number 14, I can look and I know that there are 4 ones in the number 14 and there is 1 10. So that's 10. Yes, so 10 and 4 make 14. And if you count, 10 in your head, 4 in your fingers, so 10. Remember, you count the first, because you're counting the jumps, you always count the first number in your head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can see 10 and 4 is 14. Okay, the last one I'm going to show you, and then you can do some sums on the slides. Some really easy sums where I'm just going to say how many ones are in this number. How many ones are in this number? How many ones are in this number? So, my next number is going to be the number 20. Ooh, Miss Dallimore got tricky, didn't she? 20, right. And my question to you is, how many ones are in 20? Okay, so. Tens column. So in my tens column, my first digit is 2. Wing it round, then go right. And my second column is 0. So I know that there are 2 10s and 0 ones. Right, so 2 10s. Oh, what do I put in my ones column? There are 0 ones. What am I going to put in there? Okay, well, let's have a look. I can't put anything in there, can I? Because 0 means what? 0 means nothing. Whenever I see the word 0, I always think, oh, nothing. Nothing. If I would say, oh, you know what? I really like you. I'm going to give you 0 chocolate bars. I'm giving you nothing. Yeah? Oh, you've done so well today. You can have 3 more ice... No, what am I doing? 3 more. 3 more ice lollies. And you've done really well today. You can have 0 more ice lollies. No, nothing. 0 means nothing. You'd be really upset. How comes they get 3 more and I get 0 more? Yeah, 0 means nothing. Yeah, no more. Nothing. So I've got nothing there. How many times, what times can I say nothing? Nothing, nothing, nothing. So let's go on to this now. So counting my tens, 1, 2. So 10, 20, and 0. 0. So what am I going to put there? I'm going to put 0. Yeah? Nothing. 20, add nothing. If you were to add it. If I have 20 and I add nothing, I still have 20 because I've not got anything more, have I? Yeah? So, that is today's one. And that is how you do the part whole model with tens and deans, with base 10, with your tens and ones column, using 100 square if you want, to work out how to, where does my brain go there? How many ones are in a 2-digit number. Okay? Right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.